Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Learning English Academy. Today we're going to learn some useful phrasal verbs. So let's just dive in. First up, we have the phrasal verb called off. And instead of saying the meeting was cancelled, we can say the meeting was called off. And instead of saying she discovered the truth, we can say she found out the truth. And instead of saying he arrived at the hotel, we can say he checked in at the hotel. They left the building quickly. We can say they rushed out of the building. She managed to solve the problem. She figured out the problem. He recovered from the illness. He got over the illness. He postponed the appointment. He put off the appointment. So let's review. Cancel, call off. Discover, find out. Arrive at the hotel, check in. Leave quickly, rush out. Manage to solve, figure out. Recover, get over. Postpone, put off. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you again.